Hi there, I'm Dr. Mike Ashby from the Breakthrough Company. We help business owners and managers get the best from their business, their team, and themselves. Remember, your business is only as good as your weakest performer, so you want to get the best possible people and you want to keep them. The return on investment from taking people with a moderate weakness to adequate strength, you get about 3%. That's the return on investment. The return on investment from taking a moderate strength to a great strength is about 20%. The thing is to spend less time and effort trying to correct these minor weaknesses and more on how do you go from good to great. Spend more time developing their moderate strengths into great strengths. Grow them by delegating to them the work that they're good at and delegating away from them the work that others do better. And then you can add capacity at the bottom and you bring people through it at that level. Remember that it's better to promote an 85% fit than to recruit 110% fit. So favor internal candidates over external ones. Even if they're not quite ready, that's exactly what you want. People who are not quite ready, and then you train them and then you can shape them and then they'll be engaged and they'll stay with you. They will be a better proposition for you. I guess finally the thing about staff and how you're going to grow them is your staff want three things. They want someone to believe in, and that's you. They want someone to believe in them, and that's you too. And they want something to believe in, and that's your organization. So my question for you is, how do you deliver on the three things that staff want? I'm uploading a new video once a week. If you like this content and you want some more, please subscribe. To get notified when a new video is available, you just got to hit the bell button. If there's something you want to talk to me about, let me know in the comments.